Welcome to Vanga English Padikalam channel. I am your English teacher Maunapriya speaking. Today in this session we are going to see a different topic which is not related to our syllabus. It is Learn English. It is absolutely for teachers. English for teachers. Even the students can learn from this how the teacher could tackle the students. Only 3 steps are necessary. With these 3 steps, we can easily learn the spoken English, and also at the same time we can easily judge the students. That is, to know the psychology of the students, we are going to use this sessions. This is the first session we are starting regarding the spoken English and the psychology of the students. Only 3 steps are necessary. First step, analyze the students' actual capacity. Some students may be well versed in their spoken. Whatever it may be, the students may be well versed or else they doesn't know to speak English. They can easily judge the teacher. They can easily find fault in others speaking. If we speak a wrong English, they can easily guess what we are or where we are. So we must be very cautious about our spoken. We no need to use too long sentences. Too long sentences may sometimes become clumsy and it may not be clear. For that purpose, we can use very small sentences. This is the first step. Second step, frame very small questions and ask yourself. Very small question we have to frame so that the question may not have any error in it, and at the same time we can use the question confidently. Third step, frame the maximum number of answers for your questions. This is for what you know. If we frame a question, the students may give different kind of answers. For different kind of answers, we have to make once again the question. Only then they will be caught in our hand. Like this, for example, if you ask a question like this, where is your note? The students may reply, it is in my home. If they say, you have to ask the question, why did you keep it in your home? You have to ask, why did you keep? You should not ask, why did you kept? It is not the right format. Why did you keep it in your home? If they say the answer, I didn't bring it. Why you didn't bring it? You have to ask. I forget. Why did you forget? You have to ask. Why did you forget? You should not ask. I will bring tomorrow. For that you have to ask, what happened today? Why not today? Why you didn't bring today? Like these questions you have to ask. Like this is the just intro session. Like this we have to frame the maximum number of answers the students may reply. Only then we can easily tackle them with our reply questions. And if we used to this kind of question and answer, the spoken English is nothing for you. It will be very easy. For each answers, we must frame separate questions to tackle them. Then it is simple to learn English. Thank you. We can meet on the next session.